So hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Lynn. If you're new, you're most definitely welcome, and if you've not subscribed to my YouTube channel, come on, what are you waiting for? Click the red subscription button below and we can get started. So as you can see, I've already done my eyebrows and my eyelids are already prepped. So what I'm doing is that I'm placing that pinkish, it's kind of pink or nude color on my crease, and that palette is big and heavy, that's why I'm lifting it. So on my crease I place those two colors. Yes. So now I go back to my Mascara eyeshadow palette and I dig into the black eyeshadow, and then I place it on my outer V of my eyelid and blend it out. You do not want to see any harsh lines, so there's one of the secrets of doing good makeup is blending. So as much as you see as if I'm taking a few minutes to blend, this video is edited, so I took so much time to blend that eyeshadow out. So now I'm coming in with my Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn, I believe, but I'm going to put all the products that I'm going to use in this video in my description box, and then I'm going to cut my crease using the Pro Concealer like I'm doing. So now I come back with my LA Girl neon colors, and I'm going to get in that blue shade that you can see there, and I'm going to place that next to my black eyeshadow. You just like do a tapping motion, you tap, you press it there. I'm not doing like back and forth motions because you do not want to spoil your eyeshadow. So next I'm getting into that white eyeshadow that is still in my LA Girl neon colors palette. So I'm coming back with my Cara Beauty eyeshadow palette with the color that is at the topmost corner, and it's a nude color. It's slightly darker than white, and I'm gonna place that on top of the white eyeshadow that I had already placed on my lid. And then after placing these colors, I don't leave them like that, by the way. I kind of blend, but I try to edit the video so that it doesn't become too long already. And now using my Huda Beauty eyeshadow palette, I get in the gold shade in there, and then in my cut crease I go all the way, like pressing it there or placing it on the cut crease. So now using my Anastasia Beverly Hills eyeliner, I'm gonna do my eyeliner wing using it. And by the way, while I was doing this look, I didn't know what I was going for. I just felt like doing makeup, and I sat there. Everything, honestly speaking, everything in this video, like I was making it up during the process of doing makeup. I didn't like sit down, think I'm going to do a blue eyeshadow with this what, no. All that was coming to my head. I'm like, I'm going to do a blue eyeshadow today. So on my lower lash line I get in with my black eyeshadow, and after blending that, right now I'm using my orange color corrector concealer and I'm blending it out. And now I'm using my Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade 355, and using my foundation brush I'm blending it out obviously. So now, using my micolor powder, I'm going to set my foundation, because I'm one of those girls who can't go out without setting your foundation, because I feel like it's kind of oily and I want a matte finish. So now I'm coming in with my black opal lipstick. I don't remember the shade, but as I told you, I'm going to put everything that I've used in this video again in my description box. And now I'm setting my my face or my makeup using the City Color primer, and you've got to be generous. Yes. So I believe that is my final look. So if you did enjoy this video and learn some things, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and if not subscribed to my YouTube channel, click the red subscription button right below me. And until next time, ciao, happy new year to you all. I hope you achieve all your goals by the end of the year. Till next time.